Hello everyone. In this quick tech video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF document into an Excel worksheet. To begin with, we'll open up our Excel and click under New and use a blank workbook. Once your workbook is loaded, under these drop-downs, click on Data, and on the left-hand side, we have a drop-down box that says Get Data. From this drop-down menu, you can choose the location of the file you want to convert. To convert a file located on your computer, select the From file, which will give you some options, and as you can see, PDFs that are listed. We will choose From PDF. This will take you to a location on your computer where you have stored PDF files, or you can simply browse as you normally would. Click on the file that you're trying to convert and just double click, and we'll open up the navigator box. In this window, you will get a breakdown of the pages and the content of your PDF file. By clicking on these, you can view the content and choose which one you wish to convert into the Excel file. Once you have the page highlighted in green, come down here and click on the Load button. Now you have your PDF file in an Excel format where you can edit and make changes. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.